Alright, so you may be hearing that some TikTok Shop affiliate accounts are getting banned because they don't have the 5,000 followers in their account. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the TikTok Shop's new policy that's being put in place, and I'm going to go over if you will be affected and what to do to overcome it if you are. If you already have signed up as a TikTok Shop affiliate with the workaround method, that is referring to the less than 5,000 followers method. So some of these accounts are getting banned by TikTok because they don't have the 5,000 followers in their account, but some existing accounts are still working fine. So that is what's happening. So here comes the bad news and the good news. So the bad news is if you are brand new and don't have 5,000 followers in your TikTok yet and want to sign up as a TikTok Shop affiliate, the workaround method is no longer working. The good news is I will share with you two solutions if you're in that position of what you can do to overcome that. So first, let's go over the new policy so we can get clear on exactly what the new requirements are now in order to start promoting products on TikTok. So here is the TikTok Shop creator eligibility policy. So I'll also link this down below so you can also read up on it. And when you scroll down, it gives you all the requirements and different types of accounts that you could sign up for. We'll just look at the types of creators here. So there are basically three different types of creators account that you could sign up for. The official shop creators, the marketing creators, and then we have the affiliate creators. So each of them have different requirements. So for the official shop creators, this is when you are selling your own products through the TikTok Shop as a seller. And then you could have a creator account that's linked to the TikTok Shop account for you to start promoting your own products. So for this option, you will not have access to the affiliate product marketplace, and there is no minimum followers requirement for this option. But you will be only limited to promoting your own products that you're selling. And keep in mind that the name of the creator account must be the same as the TikTok Shop account. So that's the option number one. And I think most people watching are not selling their own products. So that leaves us with marketing creators and affiliate creators. So for the marketing creators, this is when you are invited by a TikTok Shop account, and then your name of your creator account does not need to be the same as the TikTok Shop account. For this option, you would need at least a minimum of 5,000 followers, and that will give you access to the affiliate product marketplace. All right. And then the last option is the affiliate creators. And the difference between the affiliate creators and the marketing creators is that for the affiliate creators, this one is an individual TikTok Shop creator account with access to the affiliate product marketplace. So that means that if you have an account that has at least a minimum 5,000 followers and you meet all the other requirements, then you can self-apply to be a TikTok Shop creator. And that way it does not need you to be linked with a TikTok Shop account. All right, so that would be our options. So basically, if you want to start promoting products as a TikTok Shop affiliate without promoting your own products, then you would need to meet the 5,000 followers requirement. So here is solution number one, is that you can buy a TikTok account with at least 5,000 followers. If you do that, then you won't need to link your regular TikTok account to like a shop account, like the workaround method. You can just directly sign up as a TikTok Shop affiliate, as a creator. So here's a website that you can come to buy a TikTok account. So it's called FameSwap. You can go to fameswap.com. I'll put a link down in the description. What you can do is after you come to this website, you can go to browse, and then under account type, you can uncheck theme page, uncheck YouTube, uncheck Twitter. So just make sure that TikTok is checked. And what I recommend you to do is to check escrow accepted. When you have escrow that can facilitate the transaction, generally it's much safer. What happens is you can, make sure that the account that you buy works exactly the way that you expect it before the money gets transferred to the seller. That's typically how escrow works. And just a big disclaimer, I have never personally used FameSwap to purchase another social media accounts, but I have had, people who told me that they had great experience with it. So I just want to put this information out there, and I recommend you to do your own research. But based on my research, FameSwap is legit, and you can actually come in here and look at the audiences and the price of the accounts, go with escrow, and you can purchase an account this way. All right, so if you look at the audience sizes here and like the prices, you could probably find an account that's around 200 to 500 that has more than 5,000 followers. And that's what I could see here. So if you consider going this route, definitely do more research and, make your own decision. So that would bring us to solution number two, which is to grow your account to at least 5,000 followers. And if you're posting consistently on TikTok, it's really not that difficult of a task. It's definitely achievable. And let me give you some practical tips that you can take away from this and actually take immediate action to start growing your following faster. And I think in terms of growing your following, it's really not magic or rocket science. You can just really look at what's working in your niche. So number one thing that you could do is research your niche, depending on what niche you're in, and look at what's already getting views and what's doing really well on the platform. And what you want to do is don't copy, draw inspirations from it, and add your own twist to it. So you really don't need to reinvent the wheels. You can really just look at what's already working on the platform, draw inspirations from it, and then add your own twist to it to make it your own. And most importantly, you need to post consistently. Many of the successful creators, especially on TikTok, they are just consistent. Whether it's once a day or a couple times a day or multiple times a day, they're able to find like a schedule that works for them and then just keep posting. And if you're able to look at what's working in your niche and then you create your own original content and you post consistently, it's only a matter of time before you hit momentum and start growing as well. So I'd like to leave you at that. And lastly, I just want to leave you with this. I like this quote a lot. The pessimist sees difficulty in every opportunity. The optimist sees opportunity in every difficulty. So things are always changing, and it's up to us to be able to adapt and find new solutions to the problems. And when you look at the bright side of this whole policy change with TikTok, is that some people will just give up. So the opportunity will be left with the ones that will push through, and they will be the ones that will reap the benefits. So I will leave you with that, and I hope this update was helpful. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.